This is Dee with DJ Designs, and I'm here in Kansas City finishing up my weekend of hosting and vendoring at a tea party in Kansas City. And I did capture some highlights of the event, and also I displayed some products that I was selling. The junk ties did very well. I was very pleased with that, and we had a lot of fun. Okay, stay tuned and I'll show you some of the highlights. Okay, as you can see, she did have a lady who put together a beautiful charcuterie board, and she took her time, and I do admire her creativity. And these are some of the participants that did come to the tea party. And it was a pretty kind of untraditional tea party. It was more like a party, but the ladies were all in white, and some had their fascinators on. And this is the sandwich tray. And this is my daughter. She is posing. She was the host of the event. And this is one of her friends. And there was a photo booth there. It was so fun because it was self-service. You can take your pictures, and then after you can go on and email it to you, actually text it to you and put your phone number in. So cool. And this is one of the ladies who purchased. She was one of my first customers who purchased the junk tie. She loved it. And more pictures of ladies that was there. And this is an overview of some of the things that I did set up at the event. It went very well. The ties, I think I sold about 5 of them. They really love them. I have a website set up. All of these ties, junk ties, are available for purchase. So if you see something you like, you can go to my website and see some of the other styles that I am constantly adding. So check back to see the new additions. And these are some more of the participants or invitees enjoying themselves in the photo booth. The photo booth was a big hit. And as you can see, they're deciding if they want a video or a photo. And at the end, they put their phone number in. That photo is text to their phone number. And this is my other daughter. She's the one that ran the photo booth. This is her second creativity thing that she likes to do. And more ladies. And this is me with my fascinator. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. And I will see you in